I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. In previous classes, we learned in first unit about numbers, and in second unit, regional numbers and Roman numbers we learned. Okay. Let us now learn additions. Okay. Third unit, additions. Today's topic is addition. What is the meaning of addition? What is the meaning of addition? The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. What is the meaning of the addition? The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. Okay. Take out the textbook and notebook, running notebook children. Take out the textbook and notebook and write subject name, topic name and date. Sit properly and listen carefully. How to add numbers? I will explain. Listen carefully children. What is the meaning of the addition? The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. Okay, what is the addition symbol? The symbol of addition. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition plus. In all, next all together, sum, sum, next total. These terms are used for addition. In all together, sum, total. These terms are used for addition. These terms are used for addition. In all together, sum, total. In all together, sum, total. These terms are used for addition. The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. The symbol of addition is plus. Okay. Let us see one problem. Add 56 plus 23. Add 56 plus 23. These digits are two-digit numbers. Okay, 56 and 23. These are two-digit numbers, 56 and 23. 56 and 23, these are two-digit numbers. First, these numbers we have to write in column, perfect columns. Columns means like place value chart wise. Do you know place value chart? You know already. In previous classes you learned it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. These are place value chart. How to write in place value chart wise in columns? Ones, tens, ones, tens. 56 and 23 write in column. 56. Two-digit number. 56 is two-digit number. 23 also two-digit number. This is tens number. This is tens number. So we have to start from tens. 56, 23. Let us add. First, ones place numbers add. Add ones place numbers. In ones place, 6 and 3. What is the sum of 6 and 3? 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 after 3 count. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Next, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 5 after 2 count. 5 after 2 count. 5 plus 2. 5 after 2. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. What is the sum of 56 and 23? Is 79. 79. 79 is answer. Next, I will explain one more addition. Add 543 and 659. Okay, add 543 and 659. 543 is three-digit number. Okay, so we can read with hundreds. That's why we are reading with hundreds. 543. 3 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. 5 place value is 500, 4 place value is 40, 3 place value is 3. 543. Next, 659 is also three-digit number. 659. We have to write in columns place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. 543. In hundreds place, we have to write 5. In tens place, 4. In ones place, 3. Next, 659. Let us add. First, we have to add ones place digits. In ones place, 3 and 9 digits are there. 3 and 9. Add 3 plus 9. Add 3 plus 9. 9 after 3. 10, 11, 12. 9 after 3. 10, 11, 12. 12 is two-digit number, carrying number. Okay, two-digit number and carrying number. So we have to take carrying. 1 is in tens place. 1 is in tens. And 2 is in right in the answer. So right here, take carry 1 in tens place. Top of the tens. Next, hundreds, tens, 1. Top of the in tens place. Now let us add 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 5 after 5 count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 we have to write. 10 also 2-digit number and carrying number. So we can write 1 is in hundreds place carrying. In hundreds place carrying and 0 writing the answer. In tens place only. So here ones place numbers add and write in ones place. Here tens place numbers add and write in tens place. Next we will go to hundreds place. Next hundreds place numbers add and write in hundreds place only. In hundreds place which digits are there? Once you see 5, 1, 6. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 after 1. 6. 6 plus 6. 6 after 6 count. Okay, 6 after 6. Add 6 plus 6 and 6. 6 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? 12. 12 write in hundreds place. Write in hundreds place. Read this number. 1, 10, hundreds, thousands. Here how many thousands are there? In thousands place 1 is there. So 1,000. 1,202. 1,202. What is the sum of 543 and 659? 1,202. Next, now I am going to explain 4-digit number additions. Okay, now I will explain 4-digit number addition. Five thousand 423, 3,254. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You add from ones place numbers. Okay, from right side of the number. From right side of the number, from ones place you have to add. First ones place numbers. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. What is the answer? What is the sum of 3 and 4? Add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 write in ones place. 7 write in ones place. Next we will go to tens place numbers. Tens place digits. In tens place 2 and 5. 2 and 5 digits are there. Add 2 and 5. Add 2 and 5. 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Very good. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 we have to write in tens place. Tens place. Okay, next we will go to hundreds place. Add hundreds places. Add 100 places numbers. In hundreds place 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is right in hundreds place. 6 is right in hundreds place. Next, we have to add in thousands place. Next place is thousands place. In thousands place numbers 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 plus 3. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 plus 3. Add 5 plus add 5 and 3. 5 after 3 count. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 8 is right in thousands place. Okay. In ones place 7 is there. In tens place 7 is there. In hundreds place 6 is there. In thousands place 8 is there. Okay. How can we read this number? Yes, very good. In thousands 8 is there. In thousands place 8 is there. 8,000. 8,000. In hundreds place 6 is there. How many hundreds are there here? 6. So 6 hundreds. In tens place 7 is there. How many tens are there here? 7 tens. 70. Next in ones place 7 is there. 7 ones 7. 8,677. 8,677 is answer. Next, I will explain one more addition. 7,546, 3,859. 1, 10, hundreds, thousands. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First, we have to add ones place. We have to add ones place numbers. In ones place, 6 and 9. 6 and 9 digits are there. Add 6 and 9. What is the sum of 6 and 9? Yes, 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 after, count 6. Count 6. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. How can we write 15? 15 is carrying number. 15 is carrying number. So, in tens place, take carrying 1 and 5 right in the down. 5 right in the down and in ones place only. In ones place only, we have to write 5. Why? Because we are added ones place numbers. That's why we have to write in ones place 5. 1 carrying in tens place. Next now we will go to tens place and add tens place numbers. In tens place 1, 4 and 5. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 also, 10 is carrying number. 2-digit number. So we can write 1 is carrying in hundreds place and 0 right in the down in tens place. Okay. Which place numbers we are adding? We have to write answer also in that places only. Ones place numbers add and write in ones place. If it is carrying number is there, we can write carrying. Next, hundreds place numbers. Add hundreds place numbers. In hundreds place 1, 5, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14. 14 is carrying number. 1 is take carrying in thousands place and 4 right in the hundreds place. 4 right in hundreds place. Next, thousands place numbers. Add thousands place. Next place is thousands place. Add thousands place number. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 right in thousands place. 11 right in thousands place. Okay, next. 5 is in ones place. 0 is in tens place. And 4 is in hundreds place. Next, 1 is in thousands place. Next one is 10,000s place. Okay. How can we read this number? 11,405. 11,405. 11,405. Okay. Write down, children. Write in your notebook. Note down. Now I am going to one more addition. Okay. First here see children. First I explained here 2-digit numbers. Next I explained here 3-digit number carrying addition or regrouping addition. Okay. We can call regrouping addition also. This is regrouping addition. Next 1000 numbers. Here we added 1000 numbers. Next here also added 1000 numbers in 2 steps. Okay. Next we will add 3 steps. 3 steps, 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers in 3 steps. How to add? Now I will explain. Listen carefully, children. 7,543, 3,064. Next, 5,829. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First, in ones place number, add in ones place numbers. Addition and subtraction and multiplication, we have to start from right side of the number. Okay, we have to start from right side of the number. This is my right hand. I am started from right side only. Okay, first right side. First from ones place numbers. Okay. In ones place, 3 and 4 and 9 digits are there. 3 and 4 and 9. First 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. Do you know numbers? Yes, you know very well numbers. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 carrying number, so we can write in tens place 1. Write in the down 6. 6 is right in the down and 1 is take carrying in tens place. Next, now we have to add tens numbers. Tens numbers 4 is there, 1 and 6 and 2. Add 1, 4, 6, 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13, right in the hundreds place is 1 and in tens place we have to write 3. Okay. Next we will go to hundreds place. In hundreds place numbers, add hundreds place numbers. Okay, add hundreds place numbers. In hundreds place 1, 5, 0, 8. Okay. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Okay, 6 plus 0 is 6. Next, 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. 8 after 6 count. 8 after 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 carrying 4 right here. Next we will go to thousands place. Add thousands place numbers. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Okay, 11 plus 5 is 16. Write in thousands place. Okay, here don't take carry. Why? Because the next numbers are not there here. That's why no need take carry. What will come answer? We have to write in the download. 16,436. How to read this number? See children, how to read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. 16,436. 16,436. Okay. Did you understand, children? Today's topic is addition. Did you understand how to add? How to add? Okay, first, what is the meaning of the addition? The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. What is addition? The process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition plus. I explained these problems. Next, which terms are used for addition? Which terms are used for addition? In all together, sum, total. Okay, in all together, sum, total. These terms are used for addition. Okay, did you understand, children? I hope you understand this topic, addition. Okay, tomorrow I will explain addition word problems. If you have any doubt, you call me. Okay, thank you, children.